One of my least favorite parts about our stream room or game room are these closet doors right here.
Not the whole ass apartment?
Yeah, but something we can maybe do something about today. They're in the back of our streams and our videos, and I hate them. So today we're gonna try to do something about it. We got this fabric from the Hot Blob. We're gonna see if we can cover the doors with the fabric and make it just a little bit better. So step one is clear off these doors. We didn't have too much of a plan for this going into it, other than taking down the doors, separating the bifolds from each other, and then stapling the fabric to the front of the doors. That way it was something that we could remove later on, and this would stay like a rental friendly option. That is the main reason we didn't go with contact paper, because we were afraid that when we peeled it off later, the cheap bifold doors that come in this apartment, we were afraid it would just peel the laminate off of the doors, and then we would have to pay for that. So this is a much safer alternative that we wanted to try. So that's one door done, and now we're just gonna do the rest of them. Now that we got this thing taken care of that I don't like, let's talk about the other thing in the room I don't like.
I'm sorry, I live here.
Not you. This curtain, this window, the whole thing, it's not great. We have to do something about it. So my main gripe is these curtains are way too long. They drag on the floor. They're always in the way, or they can't close all the way. And of course, the options that I really want are super expensive. So we're gonna try kind of like a much cheaper option for this.
Budget version.
Yeah, budget version. So let's get the curtains and the blinds down. We probably won't show much for our privacy so you don't see where we live, but we'll show you what we came up with. These are pleated paper shades that come from Amazon. They come in a 6-pack for only about $25. And the fact that they're paper means that there's a chance they may get damaged, but we have all of the replacements. These are not the easiest to cut, but they are super easy to put up there. It doesn't look amazing up in that corner, but we have 6 of each color of these, and the room darkening is amazing. That's with like 2 inches of light coming in, and as soon as you close it, it's all the light in here is coming from the stream lights. The room darkening on this is pretty damn good. We just have to find a way to secure it at the bottom. So now we want to put the white one up in front of it, so we have a second option if we don't want the room completely dark. In the daytime now, we have many options for how much light we want coming in from the window, and it's super easy to change it up. You just use little clips to keep the blinds where you want them. So what do you think about what we got done today?
Well, it's a lot easier than finding a new place to live.
Cheaper too. We'll probably have some more updates at some point in the future, but I do have a question for everybody, which is, we usually call this like the stream room, the game room, or the office, but what do you guys think this place should be called? Suggest names down in the comments, and if we like it, we will give you a heart, and maybe that will be what we call it from now on.
Yeah, I'm good with that. Who knows? Maybe they have better ideas.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm thinking we should just call it the War Room.
I was kind of going with that too. I was thinking that too. So if you like the War Room, let us know. If you have your own idea, let us know that too. But until next time, I think, okay, love you, bye.
Bye.